on your board. Here's your problem that you have. That problem right there. Do it. I'd like for you to do it on the gold that you have. Okay, on the gold. Follow along with me right here. So Andy, this is x plus 2 equals negative 3, right? Okay. If I look up here, x plus 2 is negative 3. So this group right here is great. What is the very first step that I need to do, Sam, on this problem? On this problem right here, what do I need to do to get x by itself? Go ahead. Okay, so what am I going to add on the left side? Okay, I'm going to add a negative 2. So I'm going to take this right here, and I'm going to add this, negative 2. And then what happens when I do that, Kempton? What happens? Okay, these zero out. Cool. They go away. What's next now, Austin?
You got to do the same thing to
Okay, so I need to add also a negative 2 here, right? And what are 2 negatives and 3 negatives added together? 5 negatives. Cool. So the answer to this is negative 5. All right, I'm going to give you another problem, and I'm going to have you come up here and demo that for us. So here is the new problem right here. Please have this, and I need someone else to come up here and to do that problem for us. So who wants to come do that? Andrew, you want to come do it? Cool. You had the first hand up. So come on up. You can just put this around you. It's going to follow you. Hopefully I'm going to move this up a little.
Because Andrew's teacher.
Right behind. Just got to make sure that it's... Okay, Andrew, it's all yours. Go ahead.
Okay. Should I explain everything?
I want you to explain, yes. Right now, we're in the infant stage of this. So I need, right now, we're not cutting any corners. So go for it.
You're going to have to zero this out with another positive 7. And then do the same. This is equal out. And what's positive 7 plus negative 10? Just say it. There you go.
Okay. So replace that and put a negative 3 in place. All right, excellent, cool. All right. What I need for you to do right now, Andrew, is I need you to go give that to someone else that is going to explain another one to us. I'm going to set up a new problem here while he is going to go choose someone. Go ahead.
It's falling.
You can do it, Austin.
It's still falling there, Andrew. Yay.
Hello.
Okay. Well, okay, so what's happening is right now you moved a little quicker, so just kind of walk a little bit over there.
Yes.
About right there. And so
Franklin.
it'll start following you. And now just come on over here.
Okay, so it went out of range, kind of?
Exactly. All right. Would y'all model this one here, this new problem? Look where, though, I put the x. I put it on the right side of the equal sign. Yeah, ooh, yeah.
So it'd be that
Okay.
is
So-
equal to that.
This is no different than if I would have taken this and originally written it like this. It doesn't make any difference. But you may see it when the x is on the right side as well. It's not meant to throw you off. So we're still adding here. I'm looking up here at some of the answers that I have. And I haven't, I did. There's one right up there in the top right corner. Who's the top right corner? Okay, Ty, nice job. He's got negative 10. Oh, sorry, right there too as well. All right, Hannah and Jetta. And negative 10 is equal to x plus 9. Okay, so demo for us how we find
Okay.
x all by itself.
So the answer is going to be negative 10. Well, like that's how you do the problem. So you have to do 0 pairs. So you would add negative 9 to the 9. So here's negative 9. So you would add that. And then you would have to add positive 9 over here. which I can't find it. Okay. So the answer would be -1. Well, the x would be -1.
Okay, so if you say the answer is -1, okay, leave it right there if you would. If I say x is -1, this was the original problem here, right there. And you say now that x is -1.
Wait, no, it's 1. It's just 1.
If you would have plugged -1 into here, what's
Wait.
9 positives and 1 negative? What's 9 positives and 1 negative? Anyone? 8. That's not what it's supposed to be.
Oh, I get it. Okay.
Okay. You can always reset and start over if you want.
Yeah, I
You
know.
want to start over?
Yes. Okay.
All right, so there's the original problem. Go ahead.
Let me think real quick.
When we talked about
Oh,
the scale, we said that whatever you do to one side of the scale, you do what, Ty?
Do it to the other side.
Got to do the same thing to the other side. It's got to even out. So, what's the first thing we do now?
Did you start on this side?
No, you start on the x side.
Oh, okay.
You got to get rid of that 9 positive. So what are you going to do?
Add 9 negatives.
All right, go ahead. And the most important thing when you're balancing these equations is whatever you do to one side, you got to do the same thing to the other.
Oh, so we add. Oh, okay. So
There
it would be
you go.
-19.
-19. Now, when you plug that in here, excuse me, when you plug in -19 here, 19 negatives and 9 positives, add them together, and what do you get? You do get 10 negatives. So that is correct. All right? Nice job. Way to work through that. Okay? All right. Let's see.
Even heck.
Do me a favor. Hit the red button. Then we'll stop it.
The red
Okay?
button.
What we're going to do is we're going to pick this up tomorrow, continuing with